Hello traders, welcome to this video on the price action monitor indicator for MT4. In this video, we'll look at how this indicator monitors and displays price action conditions, what it implies, and what settings it offers. At this point, I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Alright, so we have it down here. But allow DLL imports. And there we have it. As you can see, the price action monitor indicator appears in its own sub window below the main price chart. I can already see how it appears on the chart. It appears as lines, basically green and red lines that move within a specified boundary within 0 here and 100. And then we have sub levels of 30, 50, and 70 showing basically momentum. So it basically just summarizes the price action, the kind of moves, and what's really happened at that point, the momentum. That's what the levels are for, and all of that. So it's pretty straightforward actually if you look at it. Then as for the settings, let's take a look. Okay, basically we can set the colors for each condition, bullish, bearish, and what have you, the color of the lines. Alright, and we can set the levels as well. As you can see, the levels set here are 30, 50, and 70. And then we can trade on our preferred time frames as well. So who's this indicator for? The indicators use price action traders who want a quick reference display of current market conditions on any pair and time frame. It is a monitoring tool only. It does not execute trades. All displayed conditions are observations and should be confirmed before trade decisions are made. The download link is in the description below. Visit the Forex Geek for more free tools. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications, and I'll see you in the next video.